In this video, we'll look at how you can easily hide photos inside of the Photos app on your iPhone using iOS 16. We'll also look at how to protect the hidden folder using Face ID, and if you're missing the hidden folders album altogether, how to fix that. To get started, let's find a photo that we want to hide. Open the Photos app and then head into any album. Tap Select on the top right of the screen, and then choose the photo or multiple photos that you want to hide. Next, on the bottom right of the screen, tap the three dots icon. Inside of the menu, tap Hide. You'll then get another pop-up letting you know that after hiding, the photos will be found in the hidden folder, and you can choose to show or hide that folder in Settings. We'll take a look at that part later. Tap Hide Photos to confirm. The photos will then be removed from your current album. To view the photos that are hidden, tap back on the top left, or just tap the Albums icon on the bottom of the screen. Inside of here, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the Hidden folder under Utilities. Choose that, and then you'll be able to view the photos that you've hidden. If you change your mind and you want to unhide the photos in the future, just select the photos again like before, tap the three dots, and then choose Unhide. It will then remove the photo from the Hidden folder and put it back into the album that it came from. Now if we want, we can also lock the Hidden folder with Face ID. To do this, close the Photos app, and then open Settings. Inside of here, scroll down and tap Photos. Towards the bottom, you'll see Use Face ID. By enabling this feature, you'll need to use Face ID to view both the hidden and recently deleted folders, adding another layer of privacy. So now when we go back to the Photos app and look at the hidden folder, we see that there's a lock on the right. Choose the folder and unlock with Face ID first before you can view the contents. And finally, if you're missing the hidden folder altogether and it looks like this, then you have the hidden folder option turned off. Again, close Photos and then open the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and then choose Photos. Here at the bottom, you'll see Show Hidden Album. Tap the slider on the right to toggle it on. Now head back into Photos and you should see the hidden folder at the bottom of the Albums page under Utilities. And that's how you hide and protect photos inside of the hidden folder on your iPhone using iOS 16.